If you want to emphasize your eyes, eyelash extensions are the perfect way to do so. By following a proper aftercare routine, eyelash extensions can last longer and stay healthier. If you want to prolong the life of eyelash extensions, licensed esthetician Ash Santiago recommends cleaning them twice daily, drying them completely, and avoiding salt water and oil-based makeup. If you want volume, character, or longer lashes, eyelash extensions are the perfect way to draw attention to your eyes, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. As a lash artist, we can create the perfect look that lasts for weeks at a time. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. To find out more about the story, click the link in the description.